Hi there, students. To have it out with somebody. This means to discuss a problem openly with somebody, even if you end up having an argument or a row with them. So I always have to work on Saturdays, and I hate working on Saturdays. I'm going to have it out with my boss and change this situation. I'm going to let him know that I'm not very happy about it. I quite often lend my car to my friend, and very often when he brings it back, the fuel tank is empty. I've got to have it out with him, yeah? This problem of the fuel tank, I'm going to have it out. He never tidies his room, and his mum had it out with him. Either you tidy your room or. So to have it out, to settle something that causes anger or annoyance or frustration, to go and talk directly to the person and say, look, this is a problem. What are we going to do about it? More normally, what are you going to do about it? My neighbour is always playing loud music at night. I need to have it out. I need to have it out with him. So this is an attempt to resolve a contentious problem, something that you don't feel happy about. John's been sulking for the past couple of days. I'm going to have it out with him and see what the problem really is. Okay, so to have it out with someone, to go and talk to someone about something that is annoying you, that makes you unhappy, and try to resolve it once and for all, if possible by friendly discussion. But very often when you have it out with someone, you're already a little bit angry and it ends up as a row or an argument. So, formality. This is quite informal. I'd probably give it maybe a 4 out of 10 informality. It's a great phrase to use in an informal conversation. Yeah, I think you could use it in a neutral situation as well, but I wouldn't use this in a very formal document. I think you would resolve a conflict. Talk to somebody and try to resolve your differences. Something like that. Okay? So to have it out with somebody. Okay? To talk to them and say, I really don't like this. You can't keep on doing this. So there you go, a nice idiom. If you've got a problem, it's a good thing to have it out with the person who's annoying you or causing you anger or frustration. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To have it out with someone, to have it out with somebody.